Hi, this is Barb, and I'm here to talk about my Cool Tool review and application plan, lesson number one. And this is going to be a bit of an inception level thing because I'm using the very tool that I'm here to talk about. The tool that I'm here to talk about is Screencast-O-Matic, which I love. I learned about it at the course this summer in digital literacy in Rhode Island. And my dyad partner and I, hey Sue, used it to present our stuff. So I fell in love with it then. I teach another online course and I use it for all of my introductions now, and it's super handy. The main selling point for me, just as a human talker, is that you've got the whole screen available to show, what you're doing. And then you've also sort of got a personal, more warm, well, depending on your face, I guess, but you've got this human element here, which I think is super nice. All right, here's how it works. You basically go to the website, you launch the free recorder. The first time you go, you're going to have to download, but once you've downloaded it, you launch the free recorder and you're off to the races. When you click on that, there will be a little window here. I can't get to it because I'm currently using it, but this window will just let you choose some levels, but basically you press record and you're ready to go. You also have the option of just doing a straight up screencast or a straight up video of your head, or whatever you're looking at. But I really like the embedded narrator aspect of this. All right, so there are other tools that have the same function. I like this one. You download it, you house it on the website. What I like about it is you can use it for presenting lessons to kids. So if I want to explain to them how to do something, like, for example, Pathfinders, or how to use the databases, you can have the information up here while you're still sort of having your presence down here. And conversely, it can also work for students to present their findings to you. And it gives them, they can show the work right up here. You can eyeball it and have that visual thing, but they also are learning to maybe be more articulate or learning to be comfortable with being on the screen themselves. And one of the things that my big constraint for high schoolers was sometimes they don't like to, they get nervous about how they appear on screen. So this is nice. It's real small. I can barely see myself. All right, so on to the lesson. This lesson is from my American Film Studies class. These are, I said grades 9 to 12, but that is wrong. These are kids, it's an elective, and they will be, don't mind me as I just edit this while I'm presenting it. So what they're going to do is at the end of each unit, we watch sections from 5 or 6 films, and they'll choose one to watch on their own and then look at 3 different reviews and determine if they agree or disagree with the review. So one of the ways to differentiate it, if there's a kid who's, just a high flyer, fascinated with film, I'll give them film commentary, which, is different from reviews. It's more dense, or rather help them find that. They're looking for their own content. And finding 3 reviews and saying basically whether they agree or disagree with them. I would have a more precise rubric when doing this, but luckily I didn't have to have one for this lesson. But I do like this. It lets students speak. They have to be, verbally articulate, but it also gives them a chance to look at 3 different pieces of text and really go over what they think about it before they present it. And this deals with fluency, which was my topic for today. So the learning objectives, students will be able to compare text to one another, showing understanding of them both individually and in relation to the other. That's sort of my content text and the fluency text, but also students will be able to communicate their opinions by backing them up with concrete information. That's a stupid objective. That's not one that I want. I may go back and edit that. Ignore it. Moving on. I wrote this as if I were writing it to the kids. What they're supposed to do is basically watch the movie, find 3 reviews, rate the reviews, and choose relevant sections. And then start arguing with the internet when just a little tip about highlighting text, which I didn't do until this very point, and then see the imaginary rubric for details and have fun. Okay, we're going to see if this works because I made a screencast, and let's see if I can show it while I'm screencasting. Hi, this is Barb. There's 2 of me. Oh my gosh, this is busy. All right. You know what? If you want to see this, you can click on the link in my in my document because it's a lot to see these things going on all at the same time. All right, I hope this was an accurate representation of what I learned this week. It was really fun to play with these tools, and it was fun to sort of put the, all the theory that I'm reading into the context of what I'm doing. So, all right, bye.